Here at Penn Elementary, we use the everyday math curriculum. With that, I've been creating PowerPoint presentations to go with each lesson. Like I said earlier, I will upload all these presentations to my personal website so that you can access those if you want to use those, kind of change them to fit your needs if you want. So every day we'll identify a math goal. This one was talking about base 10 blocks to show numbers and to kind of create an understanding of the place value system using our base 10 blocks. So with this, what the students can do to start their day, they need to choose, I'll give them one number to show me. So if I wanted them, I think the number for this lesson was 53. They'll do this on their own, and then afterwards we can actually come back and check it. And what this will allow me to do is they'll have to show me one way to do it. So what we'll do with that is we'll go ahead and I'll have it as a pen, and they'll have to come up here and show me one way to show 53. So one student might show me 5 longs and then 3 little dots for the cubes. So then now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Now, if we go on, get it over here to the next one, as you'll see, another way to do it. So I might have them show me a different way. So we might have them do 4 longs this time, and then just so this can save time, they do 13 individual dots, just so that they can come up, and I'll have the student actually come up and show me these ways that they're actually doing it. The next thing that we do is give them a few problems with the place value mat for the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Again, I might have students come up, I might give them a number to show me on the place value mat. So then again, to show me the hundreds, they'd have to show flat, longs, and then cubes. From there, I've linked this to the internet, to a website that I found that has been, it's kind of a manipulative website that you can show the base 10 blocks. It's a very visual site that I found to be very beneficial to the students. It really shows them how to break the blocks apart, how to break them to where they can actually see what is going on. So if I scroll down here, throw this up here. So now I got my place value mat once again, just like I had in my PowerPoint. With this, what they'll be able to do is, if I want them to show a number, they can take and actually drag the flats over. They can drag the longs over, and then they can drag the cubes over as well. Now what also they can do is, up here I've got some icons. Scroll up so you can see it. They've got some icons. So if I take the hammer, I can actually break these apart so they can see how many longs there are. If I break this one apart, they can see how many cubes there are. Then I can actually take, and if I wanted to, I can pull all these over into the ones column. Now if I connect 10 of them, and let's say I want to show them that I am creating a long out of cubes, what I can do is, if I click the glue up here, now all of a sudden I can glue it back together. Again, I can glue this one back together. If I'm ready to start over, just hit the little broom, it'll erase everything. So again, this is a website that I've used in my own PowerPoint lesson so that they could come up and see a little bit more visual examples of how our base 10 blocks, can be manipulated to show a number value. So then we go back into the actual lesson. Just to review trivia time, we'll go over a few questions. How many cubes does it take to trade for long? This is more or less just my time to see if what we've been practicing, if they can figure it out. And then we'll have some solve my riddles. With this, 3 flats, 2 longs, and 6 cubes, who am I? At this point, what I would do is I'd actually go back to the website we're actually on and use these riddles so that they actually have to show me on that website. If I wanted to, I could have them do it on here, but that website, they enjoy that website quite a bit, so we use that website. So if I wanted to, they could show me on here just by drawing on the screen for me the 3 flats, the 2 longs, and the 6 cubes. But that's just another way, another lesson that I've used for implementing this Wiimote whiteboard into my classroom.